Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about when you can withdraw cash from Wealthsimple. This is a question that I get asked a lot, so I thought it would be helpful to do a video on it. Before we get into the specifics, I want to talk a little bit about Wealthsimple. Wealthsimple is a Canadian financial technology company that offers a variety of investment products, including ETFs, stocks, and bonds. They also have a number of other services, such as tax loss harvesting and automated investing. Wealthsimple is a great platform for investors who are looking for a simple and affordable way to invest their money. They have a user-friendly interface and offer a variety of educational resources. Now that we've covered the basics, let's get into the question of when you can withdraw cash from Wealthsimple. When can I withdraw cash from Wealthsimple? The answer to this question depends on the type of account you have with Wealthsimple. There are two main types of accounts. Cash accounts. These accounts are for holding cash and other liquid assets. You can withdraw cash from a cash account at any time. Investment accounts. These accounts are for holding investments, such as stocks, bonds, and ETFs. You can withdraw cash from an investment account, but there are some restrictions. Cash accounts. If you have a cash account with Wealthsimple, you can withdraw cash at any time. There are no restrictions on how much you can withdraw or how often you can withdraw. Investment accounts. If you have an investment account with Wealthsimple, you can withdraw cash, but there are some restrictions. The amount of cash you can withdraw depends on the type of investment you have. Stocks and ETFs. You can sell your stocks and ETFs at any time and withdraw the cash. However, there may be capital gains taxes to pay on your profits. Bonds. You can sell your bonds at any time and withdraw the cash. However, there may be interest income taxes to pay on your earnings. Mutual funds. You can sell your mutual funds at any time and withdraw the cash. However, there may be capital gains taxes to pay on your profits, and there may also be a redemption fee charged by the fund company. In addition to the restrictions on the amount of cash you can withdraw, there are also some restrictions on how often you can withdraw cash from an investment account. Wealthsimple allows you to withdraw up to $10,000 per day from your investment account. If you need to withdraw more than $10,000 per day, you will need to contact Wealthsimple customer support. How to withdraw cash from Wealthsimple? Withdrawing cash from Wealthsimple is easy. Here are the steps. Log into your Wealthsimple account. Click on the Cash tab. Select the amount of cash you want to withdraw. Click on the Withdraw button. Your cash will be withdrawn from your Wealthsimple account and deposited into your bank account within a few days. Here are a few additional tips to keep in mind when withdrawing cash from Wealthsimple. Be aware of the fees associated with withdrawing cash. Wealthsimple does not charge any fees for withdrawing cash from your cash account. However, there may be fees associated with withdrawing cash from your investment account, depending on the type of investment you have. Be patient. It can take a few days for your cash to be withdrawn from your Wealthsimple account and deposited into your bank account. If you have any questions, please contact Wealthsimple customer support. I hope this video has helped you understand when you can withdraw cash from Wealthsimple. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more financial tips. If you're interested in learning more about Wealthsimple, I encourage you to check out their website. They have a lot of great resources available, including a blog, a podcast, and a YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.